Hi guys! So today I am working in my composition art journal. So you're going to see me just squirt out some paint, and I'm actually going to be working on the other page too. So you'll see that kind of progress also, but I'll have a different video for that. So I'm just going to start out by adding some paints to my palette. And I kind of had an idea where I wanted to make these just simple marks on my page, and that's what I'm going to do. And it fills up really fast. It's very meditative when you kind of just use the brush and make these just marks. And I am sticking with the warm colors because I was in a warm mood. And you'll see that I'm going to do some stenciling over. I don't know if you'll get to see all of it, but it's this really beautiful flower stencil that is from Sean Petit, and you'll see me do that. And then I'm just going to add just a really basic magazine image and add some words. So it's a pretty straightforward page, but it was fun and I really enjoyed creating it. So I hope that you enjoy the video, and I will see you guys next week. Of course, I had to add a good splatter because you always need a good splatter. And now I'm going to add the turquoise with this beautiful stencil, and I kind of slowed things down, but I must have hit the unrecord button too soon, so you'll only see me do part of it. But I just use a little bit of Mako sponge. You want to remove most of the paint, and you're just going to add it on there. And then the next frame, you'll see that it's on there magically. There we go. And this is an image that I found. I just cut it out. So it's a fun page. So I hope that you enjoy the process, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Happy creating. Bye bye.